wear cotton sarees. Yes, if I talk about cotton sarees are always preferred, always comfortable, always it's having a rich look and unique varieties. That's why the cotton manufacturers also again and again getting the new varieties for the resellers. So cotton manufacturers, resellers, dealers, wholesalers, if you are a cotton reseller, you have to directly choose a right manufacturer, affordable price with quality, quantity, color charts and unique designs. So, hi my friends, I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. Once again, welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. I hope all are safe and doing great. So, as I spoke about the cotton sarees, these cotton sarees are really very affordable and very demanded at the market. So, today also I brought for you the trending, unique varieties saree with running blouse, which is a cut blouse, which will be every saree is having the same matching collections. If we talk about these collections, which is around 500 to 600 range of collections, friendly budget, customer friendly budget, factory price. So keep watching this video, subscribe the channel. So quickly you can do online purchase by COD options, video calling available, and you can do visit purchase Kesaria Manufacturers, Doriwala Square building next to Mohan Sweets, walkable distance from Surat railway station. Before going to products, I just want to give you an information. If you are looking to invest on clothing business, I want to take a franchisee. Kesaria is giving a franchisee. For more information, numbers are scrolling on the screen. Choose your best location and you can start your business. You can invest based on, you have a premium model, exclusive model and family store models. So based on this, for further regarding more information, you can call our online team. They'll give you all the information. So let's see the collections. As I said, today I brought for you the unique collections and designs varieties. So first I start with checks pattern, very pretty color, very pretty with you got the Mahalakshmi border. I can see the borders traditional based. In this you got a mild pastel color with a piping work. You have a code over here. This is Shri Tak Tak BP. Tak Tak BP is the code, Takatak. So this is the running blouse with the same construct collections of this dark maroon, which goes with the baby pink or Rani pink with the black and grey shade. This is the border where you can see the leafy printed, and you have in the checks pattern, you can see the stylish unique. If you talk about the next pattern, which is a mustard yellow, you have a caramel color combination or chocolate color. You have a running leafy pattern printed, and this pattern you can have a gap borders. On this you have a beautiful code where you can see on this code, every code you will get a colors of this traditional kalamkari. In this you got a Kesaria logo. The Kesaria, we are available in all the social media platforms. You'll get the online, every pattern you'll get 6 colors, 7 colors. If I talk about the dark colors, some like dark colors, you have a very pretty coffee brown. You have a beautiful coffee butta print with a dark running blouse over here. Again the gap border, which is Madhubani Batik. Is a Madhubani Batik is a code. On this code you can apply, you can get the online orders from the same pattern. If I talk about the onion pink, which you have a beautiful lovely color, where you have a very pretty borders and with a butta printed, you have a lovely leafy pattern with a money plant based pattern, and you have a curvings where you can see the Radhika is the code. If I talk about the caramel color, caramel brown, caramel with a chocolate color, I can say over here with a beautiful gap borders, batik and bandhani pattern. You have exclusive varieties with the running casual with the gap borders, running blouse. I can talk about the pastel color, very sober color. Official teachers, professors, they can have these kind of butta, mini butta and the same butta pattern with a covered body part in this gap borders, and you have a Radhika as the code. Again, every pattern you can tell the code or you can take a screenshot and you can contact. Next pattern with the bottle green or mehendi green or the military green, I can say. You have a waves pattern, the multicolor. This is a kasturi is the code. If I talk about kasturi, you have a cotton printed. We have a 550 meters. Without blouse, I can talk about. With blouse, you can see 630 meters, Radhika, Madhubani batik, traditional, kalamkari, all these cotton varieties of cotton, everything varieties you can purchase set to set. No, there is no required the quality or quantity doubt where everyone will have a very lots of questions where how I can do the color combinations or how the quality and the quantity, or if I wash whether I will lose the actual color of the pattern of the sari. These type of questions you will have. So better I can suggest you all my viewers and my friends, do visit purchase. When you visit, you touch the feel the fabric, you really feel it how it is about the quality or the quantity and the color charts, the sari, lehenga, kurti, but Poonam saris, matching collections, kids collections, every fabric varieties of ready-made and the running material you can purchase with Kesaria manufacturers. So today I have showed you around 500 to 600 range of collections. With blouse I have showed you. So which, if I talk about this entire section, it starts from only 95 rupees of cotton sari without blouse. So either for the regular wear from 95, 110, 130, 170. If I talk about official wear, you can go around 350, 375 up to around 800 to 700, 750. So hope you enjoyed these varieties of cotton printed saris. So please visit and you can buy a number of collections depend on your location, and you can plan for your clothing business, women entrepreneurs. You can try it to have a online business, home-based business. So, and regular resellers, you can update with new collections with Kesaria manufacturers. So numbers are scrolling on the screen, and let me know either Sri Lanka, Malaysia, Singapore, Canada, for all over the world. While we do have an Indian currency of 1 lakh rupees, you can do online purchase. For Pan India, you have a COD options, 20 to 25,000 is a minimum order. So let's meet in the next video. So don't forget to mention your comments in your city and your name. Please follow, subscribe the channel. There's a bell icon. Just click it and share with your friends, relatives, with everyone who is looking for clothing business and for new varieties. So next video we'll meet. Until then, keep supporting me. Take care. Bye-bye.